Hey lovely people, Coupon and Crystal here with my Walmart Ibotta haul, guys. I decided to finish my latte bonus and I wanted to finish my weekend warrior bonus. So that was going to give me $5 for each one of those bonuses. So I needed to do a total of 15 rebates. So let's jump into it, guys. Now, first thing I decided to get was the Starbucks Cold and Crafted. This was on the aisle where the energy drinks and things are and juice. That's where this was found. It was priced $2.28 in my Walmart. There's a $1 Ibotta rebate, making the final cost $1.28. I'm gonna give this to my husband because I don't care for coffee, so perhaps he will like it. It's coffee plus a splash of milk and vanilla. The next rebate I decided to do was on the Finish Jet Dry 3-in-1, guys. Now this was priced $3.76. There was a $1.50 coupons.com coupon that I used, and there's also some Finish coupons in today's paper. Okay, so that took $1.50 off. I paid $2.26 in store. There's 50 cents coming back from Ibotta, making the final cost $1.76. Not too bad, because I think I need some in my dishwasher. Next rebate I did was on the Pearl Milling Company. Formerly, y'all know what it was, okay? Now, this was priced $2.92. There's a $1 coming back from my bottom, making the final cost $1.92. I looked at it and I was like, I had to Google that thing because I missed when they changed their name. Okay, so I looked, I was like, okay, this looks a lot like the other syrup, okay, with the lady on it. All right, so the next rebate I decided to do, guys, was the Keebler. And I got the waffle cones because, you know, Crystal keeps a lot of ice cream in her house. They were priced $2.33. Did not have a coupon, so I paid $2.33 in store. There's 50 cents coming back from my bottom, making the final cost $1.83. I got the waffle cones, and these things look kind of big. So that's gonna be good. This rebate, guys, was on the Rice-A-Roni. This is the Rice-A-Roni Heat and Eat. I got the garlic and olive oil rice, priced $1.50 in my Walmart. I got 75 cents back from my bottom, making the final cost 75 cents. Now, have you guys tried this? Let me know in the comments below the video. I have not tried it, but I will say, when I have done heat and eat rice in the past, I don't like it. I don't like the way it tastes. I'm a texture person and I don't particularly care for the texture of it. It just isn't good. So I'm curious to see if this is going to be good. You let me know if it is or if it isn't in the comments below. That way, if it's not good, I won't even bust it open and I'll just donate it to church. Okay. Next rebate, guys, I decided to do was on the Degree, the Maximum Recovery Massage Bar Soap, $2.97 in my Walmart. I used a coupons.com coupon that I printed today, taking off $1, paid $1.97 in store, got $1 back from my bottom, final cost 97 cents. Not too shabby. Next rebate I decided to do was on the Degree Maximum Recovery. This is the body wash and soak. Okay, so I can actually, you know, use this for, and it has pretty good smell. I can use it for soaking my feet. So it's got Epsom salt and charcoal extract. So I was like, let me just get that. $5.47 in my Walmart. I did use a $2 coupons.com coupon that I printed off today. I paid $3.47 in store, got back $2 from Ibotta, final cost $1.47. And I do believe, if my memory serves me correct, guys, if it did, I will pop it in a picture of it. I think I got a bonus for purchasing both of these together. I can't recall. I think it did. All right, so next, I really wanted to get the garlic one, okay, but they didn't have it, so I had to get the maple one. When I tell you the garlic one, I think it's garlic. Ooh, that thing is good. Okay, I put that thing on a baked potato. So tasty. Okay, but I decided to just go ahead and get the maple. So the maple was priced $2.24. Didn't have a coupon. I'm only getting 50 cents back from Ibotta, but I'm okay with that. Final cost $1.74. This rebate I did was on the Sargento Creamery Baby Swiss Cheese This was priced $2.95 in my Walmart. I got $1 back from Ibotta. Final cost $1.95. Now, I didn't check for a Sargento coupon, guys. Coupon time it. Not sure if there's one out there, but, you know, just check to make sure. But Crystal wasn't about that life. I didn't feel like lugging my whole coupon binder in the store. It's not up to date anyway. Let me know in the comments below, guys, if your coupon book is up to date, because mine ain't. Next rebate I decided to do was the Coke rebate, but I decided to get Sprite. The Sprite was actually $1.94, 25 cents coming back from Ibotta. Final cost $1.69 after the 25 little cents, okay? Next rebate, guys, was on the Method. I decided to get the all-purpose cleaner. Price $3.28. I got $1.25 back from Ibotta. Final cost $2.03. Next, we decided to get the Butterfinger. The Butterfinger was 88 cents, guys. 25 cents back from Ibotta. Final cost 63 cents. That's a cheap little rebate there for you. Next, I decided to get the M&Ms. This is the mix, $1.48. This was up by the register, and so was the Butterfinger, okay? $1.48, no coupon. Paid the $1.48 in store. Got 25 cents back from Ibotta. Final cost $1.23. Yes, yes, yes. And had to get my Oasis, okay? They fixed that P&G coupon so I could not use it. How dare them? They got it. You got to get a 4 count. They don't even make a 4 count, okay? All right, so they want you to use it on that 7 count because they making sure you can't use it on that 3 count, all right? The Always Z's menstrual underwear is what I call them. They're $3.97. $2 back from Ibotta. Final cost $1.97. And I have a whole stack of them in my closet, okay? And I'm not parting with not one box. Ain't sharing. And I ain't selling them either. Next rebate, guys, is this Welch's Passion Fruit. Okay, now this juice right here is so good. Let me know if y'all like this juice, okay? Because we got this juice from the Shopkick rebate, okay? Now, I've tried Welch's juices before. You know, it's a cheap little juice. It's $2. But this passion fruit is really, really tasty, guys. $2, only 50 cents coming back from Ibotta, but I was cool with that. Final cost $1.50 because I like the way it tastes and I will be buying it. And I guess that was Shopkick's goal, right? For me to want to buy it. So I did accomplish both of the tasks that I was trying to accomplish, which was the Weekend Warrior bonus. I had to do 15 rebates to get $5, and I had to finish that latte bonus, 15 rebates for $5. Yes. Now the bonus I'm going to be working on is that $10 bonus, but at least I've got until October the 4th, I think, to finish that. Yes. So we're going to be going out of town this weekend. So I probably need to work on that this week, okay? Because I don't know about that. All right, guys, that's it. That is all for this haul. I hope it was helpful for you. Hopefully, I got some products that you guys have not gotten before. Maybe you would like to try them. If you know some good deals with the Ibotta rebates with Ibotta, let me know in the comments below with the video because Crystal is always looking for the cheap, okay? Remember, click to save and you will be amazed. Bye-bye.